Hey guys, now in today's video we're going to be taking a look at this strategy. It is getting 100% profitable trades. Okay, so that means that every single trade this is doing, it is 100% profitable. Plus also we're going to be taking a look at the strategy I was talking about in the last video as well, the one where I said you could turn $1,000 into over $12.6 million. Very achievable if you know the strategy and you know how to implement it. And also it would help if you had a bot working the strategy for you so that you don't have to. So with this strategy that we were talking about last week, if you come here, signals tracker, and go here, this is the MCN Master Signals 3.0. So here at Mutual Ninja, we've been doing strategies and all that for trading crypto for the last 4 years or so now, and we're getting pretty good at it. So this one right here, that is 24.37% in Bitcoin gain over the last 30 days. So if you have a look at some of these others, which are up overall, they're all up about 20% but this one was 100 days, and this is not Bitcoin. This one here, this is crypto for dollars. That's actually trading dollars rather than Bitcoin. So obviously Bitcoin's going up like crazy against the dollar anyway. So when these are up 26%, or 18%, that's up in Bitcoin, which is already up crazy in dollars. So I would always recommend that if you're new to trading crypto, then definitely start using Bitcoin charts rather than US dollar charts. In fact, I've done a video, leave a link for it up there somewhere. And when I first started out as well, I was very confused. I was also trading using US dollar pairs. However, as time goes by, you start looking at stuff and you think you're making money, because in the dollar chart it looks like it's going up. However, when you convert that into a Bitcoin chart, you realize actually Bitcoin's been going up even more and you're actually losing Bitcoin value. Even though you're gaining a little bit, you would have been better off in Bitcoin. So the main strategy that we're going to be talking about in this video is down below here. So this is this one here, regular stability overload, and we've been tracking this now for 35 days. In that time, it's made over 20%, and 100%, as you see right there, 100% of those are winners. And I'm actually going to share with you the strategy for that, okay? 100% winners. Obviously, not very many trades, only 17 trades compared with the Master Signal ones here, which has made almost 25% in the last 30 days. But that's done 627 trades, so a very big difference there. This one is very, very easy. If you're new to crypto, you're just starting out and you're just manually trading, so you don't have a bot yet, then this is a really simple way to make very good returns and not overtrade. Overtrading is the biggest problem that I see new crypto traders getting into when they are coming to crypto. They're just simply overtrading. They're making far too many trades, particularly if they're leveraged as well, and they're just making 50 trades a day or something like that, or even 10 trades a day. It's probably too much. This strategy right here, 17 trades in 30 days, and it's made 17% gains in Bitcoin with a 100% winning ratio. Anyway, before we get into just how that strategy works, I did want to talk about this one. So this is the Master Signals, up 25%. As I said in the previous video, we said that'd make you 12 million. But based on the current figures, now that we know it isn't actually going to make the 30% that we thought it was going to make, or at least we hoped it was going to make, it only made about, say, 25% this month. So again, we just come here to the 3-year investment plan. I see how much we could make maybe over a year or so. And so what we're looking at here, so basically these accelerators, this is for money that you're going to add in or take out every single month. But we're going to say we're not going to add or subtract anything each month. We're just going to stick in our $1,000 investment to start with. And this is only going to be 25. So this is your average monthly return. If you're new to trading, you need to start making sure that you know how much you're making and why you're making, and remain consistent with your trading. Obviously, a lot easier to achieve consistency when you have a strategy and a trading bot to actually run that strategy for you. but average monthly return is very important because that way you can work out how much you're going to be making over time. So let's just hit get results here. So there's 25%, which is what the new Mutual Ninja signals are making. And that would be netting you basically within 3 years only $3 million. $3 million, not $12 million, but it just shows you with compound interest what a difference that extra 5% per month can make. So hopefully, fingers crossed, over this bull run now, over the next few months, those signals might improve even better and actually might start making maybe 30 or maybe even 50% per month, which would be crazy. But either way, I think if you were to start with $1,000 and in 3 years from now, you was to have $3 million in your account, you'd be pretty happy with that, right? And back over here now, we just scroll down and come to this strategy, regular stability overload. I don't know why nobody in the Telegram group has been talking about this one. They just haven't spotted it. Maybe because it's right down the bottom there. If you click on it, you can click on all of these, you get a little bit more in depth. So you can see the last 30 days, it's up 17%, only done 17 trades in that time, and it is 100% profitable. It's crazy. Okay, every single one is a winner. So if we just scroll down here, you can see some of these closed trades which it is making. So Zilliqa is the most recent one, which just closed out there, and that was up 57%, 53%. You got some whoppers down here. Look at this one here. Mana was up 66% and 68%. BAT, Engine Coin, these are only the last 15. Okay, this is the last 15 trades that you can see. And you can also check the open trades as well. So you can see REN right now. Maybe if you're watching this and it's pretty near the time I'm releasing this video, you might maybe take a look at REN. Might want to get some of that. Also PivX and Nano. Nano's currently down a little bit right now, so that could be a very good entry to get some of that. But rather than waffle on, I know the main thing you want, now that you can see this strategy, 100% winners, it is awesome. The main question is going to be, how does this strategy actually work? Well, fortunately, it's actually really easy to implement. So number one, you can just check every single day, every few hours maybe, on that signals tracker page, and you can just see when those open trades come through, and you can trade it like that. Or you can do it yourself straight here on TradingView. Now our tracker only tracks the MCN 50, so the 50 coins, the top performing coins over the last few years, which we personally trade and track. However, on here you can see the 7-in-1 indicator, so that is something that we made ourselves, something available to you as well. And you've got the green line here, so this underneath the green line, the big thick green line there, that is generally where we're going to want to buy and then sell when it's over the top. Now this one, you can see this little thin red line. Basically we tend not to want to buy too much really when it's over that. We really just want to sell. Right now this is Engine Coin. Definitely a time to be selling off and taking profit on Engine Coin. ICX here, Icon, you can see that has been down for some time, so maybe you could have bought some of that up there, and right now you're in a nice profit with that. One of those that was on there, I think, was Nano. So Nano would have come down recently and would have been buying up there as it's underneath the green. And then obviously you're just waiting out to sell when it comes back over the top. Remember guys, this is 100% profitable. It's crazy, I know. 100% profitable. Theta, I think that's been doing pretty well recently, so we're just waiting for a pullback, buy some more underneath. And Zilliqa was the recent profits that you saw it take, so it would have been taking profit here where it bounced out the top there of the red, and obviously looking for an entry to get back in. This one here, Tezos, we can see again it was popping out down the bottom there. Perfect time to be buying based on this regular stability overload strategy. Could have bought up back then and then just wait for it to ride back up. Probably going to hit this line here, the 120-day moving average at some point, pop out the top of the red line. That's where you want to start selling it off and taking some profit. I know you hear it all the time in crypto from YouTubers and all that to buy the dips. Buy the dips, sell the highs. But the problem is maybe when you're starting out in crypto, you're not really sure what a dip is and where the highs are and what's a dip, and you know, it gets a bit confusing. And that is why this 7-in-1 indicator is so useful. And as I say, it works on absolutely any chart. Now you can use Heikin-Ashi or you can use standard candles, it really doesn't matter. You can also use it with USDT or Bitcoin, although it is really specifically designed for Bitcoin, and a 4-hour chart. So remember that, it's got to be a 4-hour chart. Don't try using it with a 2-hour or anything, because all of those lines will be completely out of whack. So it's definitely 4-hour, and you can use this. So this is a chart available to you through us, so we have to verify you. So if you want to get that for yourself, really super easy, head on over there, trading signals, no, not trading signals, downloads, that's the one, downloads, and then scroll down and you can see a whole bunch of different stuff here that's available to all the members. But they've got the 7-in-1 trading indicator there for crypto, and basically add your trading username to the settings on the account page. Click here for that. So there you go, just click there and add in your TradingView username, and also just click this here to get the indicators. And you come here to my profile page, scroll on down, and what you need to do is remove from favorites indicators. Basically for you, add it into your favorites. So once you've been added into the favorites, we have to click here to manage access and have to add everybody manually. It's quite annoying. It does take some time. Basically do that every single weekday. I don't do it weekends because I have a family and things to do, but basically every morning come into work and I just add the new people on the list into the signals indicator. But there is a better way, and I've been keeping this super quiet, but if you are a master ninja, you may have noticed these things called extreme price alerts. So if you're a master ninja with Muchu Ninja, then you've got access here to these Telegram signals that come through. So this is basically the master signals 3.0. They come through every single 2 hours, telling you whether to buy or sell. And you've got the normal ones here. So this is the normal 3.0 signals, telling you here to buy some mana or sell some decreed, etc. But we've also got these new signals here, these extreme price alerts. These extreme price alerts are the regular stability overload strategy. So whenever you see these happening here, these price alerts come through. So here's one to set off some engine. As we just saw that chart for engine, you can see clearly, yes, you want to be selling some engine. It's time to take some profits. And down here as well, we've got a sell for mana. And I'm pretty sure if we go take a look at mana, and you can see quite clearly that we are right up at the top. Looks like a perfect time to take some profit because it does look like it's going to come back down pretty quick. So there you go. If you are a risk averse new trader and you're a bit scared of taking some losses and maybe you don't have that much time to actually trade, there is a very simple strategy for you right there, which makes 100% profits. But if you want something a little bit more, maybe you want to be getting in with our Muchu signals, our 3.0 brand new signals there, taking advantage of our bot system. That is coming along now. It's still currently in development. I'm going to be taking the admins from our Telegram group. I'm going to be opening it up to them probably tomorrow, maybe tomorrow evening. I'll send them guys some instructions so that they can set up their own bots for themselves, get some feedback from them, and then maybe open up to a bigger, larger test group in the community, and then everybody else. But there is going to be a limited amount of places there available for the bot, so it is going to be a first come, first served thing. So obviously the master ninjas are going to get top priority. And I shall explain more about this maybe at the end of the week in another video. Anyway, that is it for now. I'll see you all again in the next video.